I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
That feeling that you get and you feel like, I deserve something like this. Yeah, you feel it. Like, people outside will be like, okay, Kongs do this, they do that and that and that. But the most important thing, sometimes you feel blessed because you have done a great job. You have trusted yourself, your feelings, you acted, you didn't just go into dramas. Like a lot of you people, you've been watching, you know what to do. You're watching my videos every day, you watch our videos, you come to the YouTube or social medias you follow, and you live there nothing. And you'll be like, you'll be thinking, why am I not maybe performing well in my trading, maybe in my trading journey, something like that. All you need to do is just get the right people, get the right mentor, and act. That's all. And guess what? You're watching people making it. You have been watching us, let's say from the start, the journey and everything. And here we are, man. Here we are. Right now we are talking about big money. We are driving big cars. That's all I can say. Big cars, big money, all we think is just big. If you were to come to me, let's say someone used to come to me and pay $100 and something like that. Right now you need maybe to pay 1 million UGH and maybe $500 and about 1,000 USD. And you will not use the chance, isn't it? So next year, maybe you will find that to have a meeting with me, you will need maybe 10,000 USD. Things are possible. You have seen that. You have seen a lot of mentors, a lot of people, let's say, who are legit teaching at 100 USD, $50 USD. Others are giving just free chance to join their premium and whatever it is. Just cut the noise down. Cut the noise down. Those things are said. People make money from, let's say, mentorship and whatever it is. At $500, $100, it cannot buy a Benz, a BMW, and a Range Rover. It can never. It cannot. Think about that. It cannot. Someone is having in his VIP list 100 traders, or let it be 200 traders. Everyone paid, let's say, $50. It can never buy a Benz or a BMW. Just pay or use that chance, get the knowledge. That's all. Whatever I don't care whether whatever the meta you go with, but just go with the people who made it through this game.